Welcome sa Buhay na Bayani Vlog.
So ito naman ay yung 3-gang switch control niya, individual valve. Sige sir. Isa pa. Okay, off isa-isa. 2, 3. Okay, isa-isa ulit on. Okay, off. Okay, very good. So yan kasi hindi na natin gagawin yung iba kasi hanggang ano na lang, 3 ilaw lang tayo ha. Okay na yan. Sige, next natin dyan ay dalawang 3-way switch. Control 1 valve. Okay? So ito ulit, 3-gang switch control niya, individual valve. Sige. Okay, on. Okay, switch. Okay. Off, isa-isa. Okay, so next niyan, dalawang 3-way control 1 valve. Okay? Ito ulit, 3-gang switch control individual valve. Sige sir. Sige na. On, isa-isa. On breaker, yan. Switch. 1, 2, 3. Off. 1, 2, 3. So, okay. So, very good. Next yan, 3-way, dalawa, control 1 valve. Okay? So, ito ulit, bali 3-gang switch control niya ay individual valve. Sige. Okay. On, isa-isa. 1, 2, 3. Off, isa-isa. Okay, so next natin yan ay dalawang 3-way control individual, control 1 valve. Okay, sige.
Maraming salamat sa panonood ng Buhay na Bayani Vlog. Lahat tayo ay pwedeng maging bayani.